Hey guys, so I'm here and I have this strong magnetic, this iPhone 17 Pro Max case. So I don't have my Pro Max phone on me because I'm using it to record, but I want to show you guys how it works. And so this is what it looks like. It's got this nice leather around it, and it's got the opening for that button, which you can adjust to be, camera and such. It's got the power button, which is covered, and then it's got the volume and adjusting the ringer or not right here. So this is cool, and it's got the little openings for the speakers so you can totally hear it, obviously. The back is this nice kind of leather kind of finished on the inside, and then on the back out here it's this leather. And the thing that I like is that this has the MagSafe, so it'll clip onto whatever magnet that you use to hold your phone. And then also what's sweet is it has this, so it tells you right here you could push this up, and then you can use this to hold it somewhere and hold it up for you. You can prop it up so you can watch it, or have it sit on the ground like this to watch. So that's super cool. I mean, I like this, and I like this leather, and this is a very professional, nice looking phone case. And it's got the big camera shield around here, so you can see it comes up a little bit to make sure that your camera is safe if it hits the ground. So this is nice. I like this. And also the cool thing is it comes with the screen protector too. So once you put this on, you can put on the screen protector so that if you you drop your phone and it's going to crack the front, it cracks this instead, and then you can just replace it. And that's much easier than, cracking your phone. It comes with the wipes for it too. And then also it comes with this, which is used for, let's see, I can do this for you guys. You push it through the loop here, and then you pull it through, and then you make it tiny again, and then you push it through the other loop. So just twist it a little, push it through, let me see, push it through. Trying to angle it so I could show you guys how I do this. But there you go. You got to clench it real close. And then you can push it through here. And then once you push it through, then there you go. So now you have this you could put it around your phone. You can put it around your wrist, and it'll hold it for you and hold your phone for you. And that'll do everything for you. So let me pull this out. And so there you go. So this will hold your phone for you if you want. And that's everything here. So this is sweet, and I give it a thumbs up.